100% Pinot Grigio coming from the estate of Rivoli. Rivoli is the southest part of Val d'Adige appellation, which is also called Terra dei Forti, land or fortress. This is a special reserve of Pinot Grigio and it's a limited edition, and you can see the signatures of the owner of Roeno in the label. Let's see the wine. First of all, the color is an intense golden yellow, and also the bouquet is very complex, from the tropical fruit to spicy and also very mineral. The structure of the wine is a very good balance between acidity, minerality and sapidity, and it's a long-lasting Pinot Grigio. We do the harvest usually the third, fourth week of September, so it's a late for Pinot Grigio, but we manage thanks to this wind that we have that comes from the Garda Lake that makes unique this wine.